Refugee, pages 34 through 65, quiz 2. First, type your first name in the box here. Next, type your last name in the box here. Now you will select your cycle number. Choose the best answer for each question below. Number 1. Who is Aaron Landau? Mahmoud's brother, Isabel's friend, or Joseph's father? Number 2. What happened to Cuban refugees who were caught with dry feet on United States soil? They were sent back to Cuba, they were imprisoned where they were captured, or they were granted special refugee status and allowed to remain and become U.S. citizens. Number 3. After their apartment is blown up, where do Mahmoud and his family plan to go? Germany, Cuba, or the United States? Number 4. What is the destination of the boat that Joseph and his family are on? Italy, Cuba, or the United States? Number 5. Where are Isabel and her family trying to make it to in the makeshift boat? Mexico, Florida, or Texas? Number 6. Where had Joseph's father been for 6 months? In Cuba, at military training, or at a concentration camp? Number 7. What message did Fidel Castro have for the people of Cuba when he came on television and interrupted the baseball game? All people caught leaving Cuba would be killed. Anyone who wanted to leave Cuba could without interference, or anyone who wanted to leave Cuba needed to pay a large fine. Number 8. What ceremony would be held in honor of Joseph becoming a man? Bar mitzvah, birthday party, or a quinceanera? Number 9. What is the name of the boat that Joseph and his family are traveling on? St. Louis, Santa Maria, or the Queen Mary? And number 10. Which family member of Mahmoud was killed during the bombing of his apartment? Walid, his mother, or they all survived?